Hey everyone, if you're using a Mac and want a simple way to organize notes, manage projects, or keep everything in one place, Microsoft OneNote is a great option. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics of using OneNote on macOS, from creating notebooks and taking notes to organizing your content and syncing everything across your devices. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote on your Mac. If this is your first time using it, sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, your notebooks will sync automatically if you've used OneNote before. Otherwise, you can create a brand new notebook to get started. Your notes are organized into 3 levels. First are notebooks, which hold everything. Inside each notebook are sections for different topics, and inside those sections are individual pages where you write your notes. Create a notebook if you need one, then add a section and a new page. Click anywhere on the page and begin typing. OneNote lets you place text almost anywhere, making it easy to create flexible layouts. You can add headings, bullet lists, checklists, tables, images, files, and links to organize your information. As your notebooks grow, organization becomes important. Rename your pages and sections with clear titles, then use the built-in search feature to quickly find keywords across all your notes. You can also move pages between sections whenever you want to reorganize them. OneNote automatically saves your changes as you work, so there's no save button to worry about. As long as you're signed in and connected to the internet, your notes sync across your Mac, Windows PC, iPhone, iPad, and other supported devices using your Microsoft account. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore extra features like drawing with the draw tools, recording audio notes, inserting files, tagging important information, and sharing notebooks with others for collaboration. These tools make OneNote useful for school, work, and personal projects, and that's how to use Microsoft OneNote on a Mac. After learning these basics, you'll be able to create organized notebooks, keep track of important information, and access your notes from almost anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.